This is Retro Rudy X, and I'm going to show you guys how to stream your Xbox Game Pass on your cell phone. It's cool. Quick disclaimer, Apple users, I am sorry. This will not work for you. It's only for Android, and yeah, sorry. Okay, first and foremost, to get started, you're going to need a subscription to Game Pass on Xbox. You will need an Android cell phone. Also, as an option, you can get this Moga mobile gaming clip for your Xbox controller. And then the main thing is, I guess you're going to need a Bluetooth Xbox controller. How do you know you have that? I was trying to set it up through my Xbox Elite controller, and apparently that's not Bluetooth enabled. You spend so much on a controller, and sorry guys, we didn't put the Bluetooth on that. Then I had this controller, and then I had this controller. Which one is Bluetooth? Is it this one? No, it's not this one. As you can see right here, there's a little plastic thing here, and it's how it's like two separate pieces. That's a no-no. Okay, this one, however, it's all one giant piece, and it's all like one piece. This is the winner. This has Bluetooth, so yay! This will connect to your cell phone. Now that we figured out which controller we're going to use, the one with this, okay, then we're going to take our Moga Xbox mobile clip, get it on here like so. This is a Samsung Note 10, I believe. Turn on Bluetooth, check that with connections, go to Bluetooth. Here's all the stuff I got, and we're gonna turn this bad boy on. Okay, and then we're gonna push this little button. Oh, it already happened right away. Pairing request. Okay, Xbox controller connected. Yay! I got my Xbox controller. I'm gonna put this bad boy like that. So now what we're gonna do, we can go to Game Pass, and guess what? It doesn't show that it's working. You have to go back and make sure you downloaded the Xbox Game Pass beta version. It's gonna be white like this, and when you click on that, you're gonna see that it is connected to the xCloud, as you see here. That is connected, and make sure you have your wireless Bluetooth control connected to it. And we're gonna go ahead and try Crackdown 3. And once it loads up, just like that, you have your Xbox on your mobile device. So right now it's still in beta form. They have about 30 titles available, and then on September 15th they will release, I think, over 100 titles that you can play on your mobile device, which is pretty cool. As long as you have a good, strong Wi-Fi connection and 5G network on mobile, you can virtually play it anywhere. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just hit me up in the comment section. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe. Thanks.